Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video of BullancePrime. In this video we are going to learn about the candlestick pattern, which is engulfing pattern. So engulfing pattern is basically two types, which is bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. So this is, we can see the bullish engulfing and there is the bearish engulfing. So we are going to covering this both of this engulfing pattern in this video. So first of all, you can read the details about where the condition of this bullish engulfing will be pattern. So this is important and this is very simple. So when it's going to be bullish engulf pattern, so this should be always this should be created in the bottom area of the chart, bottom area or the retracement area one there. And then you can see the engulfing pattern is looking like this. The engulfing pattern should be like this. When the first candle is closing a small body and the second candle which is closing with a big body or big with which is there, and you can see this, but the second candle should be completely cover this the first candle, which is completely it's need to be engulfed in the inside of this candle. So that in that case we can say it's engulfing candle. So this will be the important thing is color is not matter about there, it's green or red, it's not matter. The pattern should be important and the pattern should be engulfing, and it should be the bullish engulfing called when it is created in the chart bottom area, and when it is the same pattern created in the chart top area, so that is called the bearish engulfing. And that's also will be the pattern this obviously it's need to create on the chart top area. The color is obviously not matter there, as I said there. So there is no matter about the color, it's need to be pattern, and the pattern will be work anywhere. If it was in the top area of the chart, it will be bearish engulfing, and if it was on the bottom area, it will be the bullish engulfing. So now we'll be see some example about that and live example there. Is it really actually working, and what is the condition we should take entry, and where is the entry position about this the market current situation of there. So everything will be see in the practical videos over the live example will be see there. So let's back to there. Okay, first of all we will see example for the bullish candlestick pattern one there. So the bullish candlestick pattern, as you can see there, we have a candlestick pattern which is engulfing pattern. So now you can see this is candle is completely engulfed the second candle there. So this is we identify as engulfing pattern. So engulfing pattern, it should be a bullish or bearish. We need to identify the bullish engulfing pattern should be in the bottom area. So now this you can see this is the chart bottom area, and the pattern is created in the bottom. So which is bullish engulfing pattern. We got the one condition of the matching for the bullish engulfing pattern. So now we need to find some more evidence to enter this position there. So for example, we can see that this engulfing pattern is created. We see the condition 1 and the condition match, it is in the bottom area, so its condition is match. Now we need for the more evidence to enter this trade. So now we'll be see here the volume area. So for you can see this is the volume area. There you can see the volume is, it is smaller to slightly upsided there, and then another candle which is the engulfing candle is created one there, and this candle, when this candle created, the volume is changes there, and the volume is completely break the last 4 candle high, and it is completely break, and it was going for the other candle high area exactly. So it means that buyer are interested in this area market one there. So this means the market can be go to push for the higher momentum there. So this is we see that condition is matches one there. Now second condition is matches. Now we need the one more condition for the entering to the market. So let's see for the entering condition market. So we need a second candle which is the close above this area. This is the candlestick area which is actually closes this area above. Now you can see this is area, it is closes, and this is candle close to the above this area. So it means the confirmation candle is created. So we got our matches, our condition for the bullish engulfing pattern. So now we can go for the enter from this area. So now I'm going to entering, and the SL I'm putting in this area because this is a verified pattern about there. So you can see the valid candle area, and there you can see also market is taking its support as a that's 1 to 3 times. So I'm gonna put placing there, or I can placing this should be a better for the safe risky trade. We should manage for this management one there. So it will be best for blow this with area. So that's it. Now we'll be target for, so I'm gonna targeting this market exactly the last swing high. So I'm targeting this. Okay, so this is we write this some of the huge sell, but when it is management, when the market is good to higher side, we can manage this SL area. So now let's see, it was started to moving upside there. So now we can this decrease our SL, so this area we can point it. Now we can go for the more, and now you can see this candle is completely hitted our target, even it was hitted more than our target. So it means completely it was hitted, and we see that the profit booking on this area, we must book the profit here. So this is completely the valid engulfing pattern, which is the bullish engulfing pattern. It's working like this way. So you must say the condition to them. Remember here the candlestick pattern should be, if it is bullish momentum, the candlestick pattern should be created in the bullish engulfing. This is, it should be engulf this the second candle to the first candle, and the volume should be have to be changes one there, and then the confirmation candle should be here. And the important thing is the candlestick pattern is where it is created, in the top or bottom area. If it created in the chart top, it should be a bearish engulfing, and if it created in the chart bottom area, then it should be called as a bullish engulfing. So now you can see this is the bullish engulfing pattern example. Now we'll be go for the next one, which is the bearish engulfing pattern. So there you can see a bearish engulfing pattern. It was created on the chart top area. As we see, this is chart top and this is chart bottom area, and it was take the market is retracement. So retracement when it is made, so you must expecting to the go for the higher momentum. So this is exactly the market retracement. So there we see that a conversion this area, this higher momentum, but this is we see that. But the important thing is this is we are thinking, but this is not exactly the happening, that because the buyer will be retail, new buyer will be trapped in this area, but they didn't identify that what is the situation for the trading. So now we see that clearly it is engulfing pattern, and it is created on the chart top area, which is completely valid a bearish engulfing. So we see that two condition is matches for the bearish engulfing pattern. Now we need to see that the momentum for, we need to see there is what is, and you can see that important thing, as I said, that the color is not matter. You can see there is a red and there is green candle. So the color is not matter, even it can be red or green, not matter. This matter is only the pattern. So there you can see it's bearish engulfing pattern is identified there, and you can see there also the volume also changing one there. This is, and this is break the last higher. This area is created the engulfing pattern, but there is we need for the confirmation for entering short or for the higher momentum. Now let's see. Okay, it is already gone for the higher momentum. So let me back to this replay mode again. Okay, so I'm placing it, so I'm making it is slower so that you can understand perfectly. So now there we can see there is a candlestick pattern. This was completely the second candle, which is completely breakout. This is our the engulfing pattern area, its lower point, it was breakout. So now you can see we see the confirmation pattern for good for the downside movement. So now we'll be go for it for the downside movement of the trade. So now if we enter this area, and we can place the SL exactly this area, and then if we go for the targeting for the market for where should be go to target exactly. So now we can see this area to exactly this area should be better one. So now we can place this for the selling thread one there. So this is, you can see this bearish engulfing pattern as you should mention there, so it should go for the selling thread or the short, you can say there. So now let's see where it's go for. Okay, it was going on the downside momentum there. Okay, now you can see here we are, our SL is there, and it was go for nearly to touch our SL area, but it's not touched. Let's see. Okay, it is still moving on this side area. Okay, as you can see it is approximately this near to the target area, but has not hit the target yet. Now let's see that where it's go. Okay, it is still moving on the consolidating there, but it's still not reached our target. Okay, let me fast forward this. So now we can see it is still not target. Okay, now we can see there the market is completely reached our target this area. So this is our target level and it is completely hit this area. So this is how the bearish engulfing pattern, which is completely targeted, and this is our SL area. It's never hit when until our target is reached. There is not hit our SL. So you can see that the SL management also should be a perfect area and it should be a valid point, so that we can still we can avoid the getting to the liquidation point of the market. So you must be point choosing the SL should be a valid point area. You must choose this a valid candle area, or you can see, if you see that some of the width is increasing here, so you can place one the above to the width area. So that is good with the perfect momentum for the perfect management for the SL. But when go to the market, you can see this is going to your direction. In that case, you can decrease your SL area to the break even, or increasing the half of the your losses area. So this is how you can management also the SL area. So this is, I hope you understand completely that how the bullish engulfing pattern and the bearish engulfing pattern is work, and how we can identify the trading candlestick pattern, and where to the enter the market position, and what is the condition for trading in the engulfing pattern. So I hope you understand all the process, and if you understand everything, if you're having any question about this video related, you can give us on the comment section below. And if you're really interested to learn more about like this type of videos, you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update.